Hi guys, my name is Greta, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a winged eyeliner in very few easy steps that you can easily follow. So this video is especially created for ladies who find it hard or difficult to create a winged eyeliner using an eyeliner pen or a pencil. So I'll be showing you how to do it easily, so stay tuned. So guys, I will be showing you how I did this one using an eyeliner pen. So this is an easier way of doing it, so I would recommend using an eyeliner pen, especially for beginners. Like if you're not used to using eyeliners, then I would recommend this eyeliner pen because it's very easy to use. So you can use any brand that you want, but I'm using this Master Precise from Maybelline. So you can use any eyeliner pen that you would that you prefer. So this is how I do it. So the first thing that I will do is to draw or to outline my eyelid from the bottom. Like here, I'll just draw a line there, and then I'll show you how I do my winged one. So I will be holding the pen like sideways, so like this. So not like that, like this, not like sideways. So it's just easier. So I will be drawing I will be outlining my eyes. So I'll just draw a line here. So this is how I do it. So just a straight one. So closest to the how do you call this one? Closest to your eyelashes. Like that. So it depends on how thick you want it to be. You can just draw a very thick, thin line, but for me, I prefer to do it like this thick. So it depends on your preference. So you can try a thin one, or you can try a thicker one like this. So after outlining my eyes like that, I will be drawing a line here. Okay, so I use this as a pattern. So use this as a pattern, your lower lid. So your lower lid like this, you draw a line there like that. So it's like a straight line there. Yeah, so this is how I will do it. So I'll just draw a line here, up. Like that. So if you think that's enough, like if you want it more dramatic, a more dramatic winged eyeliner, you can put it a bit further up, but for me, I prefer like that. And then next thing is I will connect the end of that one here below. So I will just connect it like this. Like that, and then I will just fill in the gap in between here with the pen. Like that one. And then if you want, you can make it thicker here. It depends on what you want. You can tidy up a bit if there are any excess, if you want to top it up. Like that one. So that's how I do a winged eyeliner usually. So this is how it looks like. There. So another way of doing it, guys, is by using tool. So you can use any straight object like this one. So I just got this from a wooden spoon, so just be careful with the sharp edges. Or you can use like any straight object like this one, a thick paper probably. So you can just use it as a pattern to draw a line there. So I will be using this wooden, like the edge of a wooden spoon to draw a line. So first, again, we will outline our eyelid, so closest to the eyelash. So I'll just outline again. Until the edge. Oops. Okay, like that, and then I will be drawing a line using my tool. So I will just do like that, and then I will just draw a pattern here like this. So if you think that's enough, there you go. And then now I will be connecting the line from the top here. So like this, I'll just connect. And just fill in the gap in between. There you go. So that's another way of doing it. And then you can just tidy it up a bit. So another way, guys, is to do like this one. So I will be just drawing a line from here on top, and then I'll draw a line down. So you can also do this technique. So you can try all techniques and see what works for you, and then you can just follow what's easier. So I'll just draw a line from here, and then I'll just go up there, and then I will just now connect that one from below, from the edge of my eyes. I'll just connect it like that, and then I will just fill it in. Like that one, and then I'll just outline my eyes or apply eyeliner here at the bottom, just like a thin. Like that one. So that's another way of doing it. So let's move on, guys, using an eyeliner pencil. So instead of using the eyeliner pen, if you want a softer, like a softer texture, you can use an eyeliner pencil. So I'm using this from Maybelline. So I'm a fan of Maybelline, obviously. Yeah, it's just because they are affordable, and like most of their products are good, so that's why I use this brand most of the time. So anyway, so we'll be using this eyeliner pencil, and the same technique. So we'll be outlining our eyelids, so closest to the eyelashes. there, and then again we will draw a line from here up. Like that one. And if you want, you can extend it a bit more if you want it more, like, you know, dramatic. And then I will just connect again the end to here. So I'll just draw a line like that, and then I'll just fill it in. So just light strokes like that. And then as you can notice, like, it's not straight here, so I'm going to straighten it up. So I will just add a bit more so that it will look more straight. So I'll just do like that. See? So it's now straight. And I'll just add a bit more at the bottom so that, you know, it will be more darker. There you go. So that's the eyeliner pencil. So that ends our video, guys, and I hope you learned something. So if you did, please leave me a thumbs up, and you can also leave a comment in the comment section below. So always remember that practice do make perfect, and if others can, of course, you can also do it. So until next time, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Always take care and God bless. You're full of confidence and cheap galore. You're showing off your moves and hope for attention. And I turn my life to an imitation I don't know. I swear I'll tell the truth and you misunderstood. When I smile, it's all